The giant elephant is coming back, and he's stomping on everything. The tiny sparrows have a secret plan to stop him. But can a little bird really defeat the strongest animal in the woods? Deep in the green jungle, Papa Sparrow and Mama Sparrow lived in a beautiful peepal tree. They had 2 tiny, soft eggs in their nest. They were so happy.
Look, Papa, our little ones will be here soon.
I will find the tastiest seeds for them.
But then, a huge, grumpy elephant marched into the clearing. He didn't care about anyone. He grabbed the peepal tree with his trunk.
I am hungry. I want these leaves and I want them now.
Crack! The branch broke. The nest fell to the ground. When the sparrows flew down, their home was gone. Mama Sparrow began to cry.
My babies, everything is gone. Why was he so mean?
The sparrows didn't give up. They met their friends, the woodpecker, the honeybee, and the frog. They whispered a clever, secret plan.
Don't worry, friends. We are small, but we are smart.
I know exactly what to do. Follow me.
First, the honeybee flew to the elephant's ear and sang a beautiful, sleepy song. The elephant closed his eyes to listen. He was so relaxed.
What a lovely tune. I'm so sleepy.
Peck, peck! The woodpecker quickly poked the elephant's eyes. Now the elephant couldn't see. He ran through the forest screaming for water.
I can't see. Help! I need water to cool my eyes.
The frog stood at the edge of the deep, dark pit and began to croak. Croak, croak. The elephant thought it was a cool pond. He took one big step and...
Croak! Over here, giant! The water is over here!
The elephant was stuck in the pit. He realized that being big doesn't mean you can be a bully. The tiny sparrows were safe at last because they worked together.
We did it. We saved our forest.
Moral: working together makes even the smallest friends the strongest team of all.